comes.
Trouble on the front stretch. 51 car spins.
That's Landon Cassill. And the caution flag is out.
Stay on the grass, nothing flat. Dang it, did I just lose it there?
Landon Cassill running 24th at the time, went for a spin. Well, he couldn't benefit from it last time. But Dale Earnhardt Jr. is the first car not on the lead lap this time. And we'll wait for the official word from NASCAR to see if he gets that free pass.
Yeah, look the front end of that car. You can't say he hadn't been trying hard here tonight.
Yeah, no kid. They need to work on it a little bit, though. Little contact there. Rob Smith has a pretty good save.
Wow. Whoa. Good driving there by Regan Smith.
It's barely quarter. Clear.
That was kind of like a few different things all happening at the same time off the same corner separately. 8th caution is out. Dale Earnhardt Jr. does get the free pass. Back on the lead lap. He's in 29th place.